All right, Mark, let's take a little break off this the Burnt Bridge Creek Greenway Trail. And a little neighborhood secret over here, they call this the Gnome Trail. So what people do, they just kind of walk through and they decorate the trails with little gnomes. So
Okay, you lead the way and we'll follow you.
we'll just walk our bikes through this.
Let me take my kickstand off. I'm always want to leave that.
You might have to give your bike a little pedals or a little throttle. It's like an area where a lot of mountain bikes go through too.
Yeah. Don't get a flat.
Yeah.
Very narrow in here. You'd need a very nimble, lightweight bike to get around in here.
Yeah. So it looks like it starts about right in here. I think they had to redecorate like 2 or 3 times because word gets out and probably like kids come in here and destroy it or something.
Okay, so I'm using manpower to push the bike up this hill. Getting a workout just doing this. This is steep.
Now using your throttle?
No, I have it off. The bike's not even turned on.
Okay. But you'll see like little displays like this. We'll just put their little. Kind of cool. Some put them in the trees right there.
Kind of hidden.
Yeah.
You can see them though.
There's a little hedgehog house right here. Yeah, a little gnome family.
Yeah, big family.
Yeah. Got a lot more stuff over here. But basically that's all it is. Nice big display right here.
This must be the king display.
That's pretty good. Looks pretty recent too. Looks nice and clean. Like somebody just set that up. Somebody took the time and put all those little pebbles down.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little neighborhood secret.
Disco balls in the air.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. They're having a party over here.
Yes.
We need to find a gnome that's on a bike and put one.
Exactly.
Maybe we'll do that next time.
We need to leave our mark.
Yeah.
Pardon the pun. There's me, the bearded guy. Oh wait, I don't have a beard.
Alright, I think that's about it. we can probably go back down that way.
Okay.
Yeah, the trail's getting really narrow. But yep, that's the Gnome Trail off the Burnt Bridge Creek Greenway up
Cool.
here in Vancouver, Washington.
And you discovered that hiking?
Sarah actually discovered on some, like, I think it was a hiking group, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Like a hiking page.
So you had not been here before?
Well, before she found out about it, no, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
So we just kind of looked it up one day and just, I want to
Check
walk
it
up
out.
here and go for a little walk to this trail, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
All right. Well, that's a little look at the Gnome Trail in Vancouver, Washington.